Hello everyone, this is Sanchita ma'am. Let us begin the subtopic neutralization in everyday life. Number 1. Indigestion. When we eat very spicy food, the stomach produces a large amount of hydrochloric acid which leads to the acidity in stomach. This condition is called indigestion. It is painful, can damage the wall of the stomach and can cause stomach ulcers if not controlled. How can we cure indigestion? In order to cure indigestion, we take weak bases called antacids such as milk of magnesia, which contains magnesium hydroxide and helps to neutralize the effect of excessive acid. It gives relief to the person suffering from indigestion. Second one, ants or bee sting. When ants bite a person, they inject formic acid into the skin of the person, which causes painful burning and swelling. The effect of the sting can be neutralized by rubbing a mild base like baking soda or calamine lotion on the stung area of the skin. Being a base, baking soda solution or calamine lotion neutralizes the formic acid injected by the ants or bees, and thus the person gets relief from pain caused by the sting. Number 3. Soil treatment. We all know plants grow well in neutral soil. Plants do not grow well when the soil is either too acidic or too basic. Now, if the soil is too acidic, what should we do? Excessive use of chemical fertilizer makes the soil acidic. Acidic soil can be treated with bases such as quicklime or slaked lime. These bases neutralize the excess acid present in the soil and hence soil becomes neutral. Now, if the soil is too basic, we should use the decaying organic matter which release acids and neutralize the basic nature of the soil. Next is factory waste. The waste substances discharged by many factories contain acid. I think you all have seen that. If these untreated factory waste are directly discharged into the water bodies, then the acids present in the factory waste will kill the fish and other aquatic organisms that live in the water bodies. So, factory waste should be treated with basic substances to neutralize the acids present in the waste water before discharging them into the water bodies. Do you all know about the acid rain? Yes, it is very common problem for us. The rain containing excess of acid is called acid rain. Sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, carbon dioxide are released into the air as pollutants during the burning of various types of fuels used in factories, homes and automobiles. These gases released in the atmosphere are fairly soluble in water. Sulfur dioxide gas dissolves in raindrops to form sulfuric acid. Nitrogen dioxide gas forms nitric acid. Carbon dioxide forms carbonic acid when dissolves in falling raindrops. What are the harmful effects of acid rain? The harmful effects of acid rain are: it makes the soil acidic and unfit for cultivation. It damages crop plants in the fields. It corrodes or damages buildings, statues and historical monuments like Taj Mahal of India. It makes water bodies like ponds and rivers acidic, due to which aquatic animals get killed. Hope you all understood what I want to say you all. If it is clear, please let me know. Thank you.